Stock market predictions. Last week, 5 days, I made over, let's see, 5,744. So it's about 1,100 per day. So from August 1st to August 22, so we have 16 trading days. So Saturday, Sundays are public holidays. So I made over 14,371. So basically, most of these profits are realized gains. So I also have lots of unrealized gains. I really prefer unrealized gain because for long term, if you hold it for at least 1 year longer, you pay less tax as American. But if you live in countries like Singapore, you don't need to pay capital gain tax. So this is perfect. This is perfect, right? You can trade as many as you want. You buy today, sell today. You don't need to pay tax. That's a very, very great. So make sure you take advantage of it. But even if you live in the US or UK or Europe, you need to pay high tax. Hey, you make 1,000, you pay 300. Although it's quite a lot, you still make 700, right? So the main point is to make money in stock investing, option trading. To make money, keep the profit. That's the main point. So today we're going to talk about 6 stocks that's going to be reported earnings this week. See which one I like the best and which one I think is going to go up. And we're going to look at the past week stock market, what happened. So S&P 500 is up 10.2% the past year to date. And one day, Friday, it jumped because Jerome Powell, right, dovish, is open to rate cut. So the message sent clear message to the stock market. So stock market went up. The past 5 days, stock market was nervous a little bit, so that's why it went down. Then after that, it recovered. So usually, when stock market is nervous before the something, like CPI report, PPE, or whatever the announcement, usually reverse happens. It's always like that. So if you see stock market goes down, right? Usually I will really take bullish stance, right? Okay, so I sell put options, I buy stocks, maybe I will buy call options, whatever. Hey, usually it turned out to be right, 70% or more. Year to date, it stayed up 10.2%. 5 years, S&P 500 is up 84.25%. So we're gonna remember this one. So if we think about buying a stock, if that stock beats S&P 500 the past 5 years, that's most likely a great stock. So this is very important, 84.35% the past 5 years. Last step, look at this. Year to date, 11.49% up. One day it went up because of Jerome Powell. 5 days, it down a little bit because the stock market got nervous. So year to date went up. It's much better than investing in real estate. Real estate, the whole year, you need to deal with tenant, maintenance, contractors, everything, and you only make about 10%, right? I would rather put all my cash in stock markets. Of course, diversify a little bit in different companies. 5 years, 83.8%. Dow Jones, year to date, 7.64%, up. 1 day, 1.89%. 5 days, yes, it's positive. So year to date, 7.64%. The past 5 years, 59.25%. So what happened? It didn't matter what happened. The whole stock market was focused on FOMC minutes and Jerome Powell's speech. Friday, he was dovish, so stock market went up. Last week, as I predicted, prediction got right, 4.47%. It jumped the past 5 days. I talked about it in this video on August 20th. So Palo Alto call option within 6 days, 152.5% gain. You can go and watch this video after this live video. Okay, next one, Home Depot. Hey, stock markets, especially the real estate stock, gonna go up when interest rate comes down. Mid cap, small cap, real estate stock gonna go up. Home Depot is related to real estate stock, so they also guidance was good. So that's why stock went up. Home Depot the same with Lowe's. went up. You see, those always seem to perform better, 4.78 for some reason. The past 5 years, 59.34%. It doesn't beat S&P 500, but it still performs better than Home Depot. So if I have to choose between Home Depot and Lowe's, I would choose Lowe's. Of course, you need to think about dividend. 1.82%, Home Depot 2.23%. It's only 0.50% difference, and the past 5 years performance, Lowe's is much better. So I will go with Lowe's, right? If you compare the two, I'm going to go with Lowe's. Next one, Walmart. Look at Walmart down, and because of tariff, the guidance was lower. Yeah, very normal. Nothing to worry about, but I wouldn't buy Walmart, right? Stock number one, Intuit. Yeah, I'm interested in Intuit. You see down 7.87%. See it down much lower than after that it came up. So we can use call option, or we can sell put options, or we can just buy stock. Year to date, it's only at 6.4%. The past 5 years, it beat S&P 500. Hey, but if it goes down to 560, I'm just going to load the stock, right? If it goes down to 500, it's even better. So I'm stay waiting. I will just use call options for this one. Okay. So let's see. Next week, GDP. Yeah, it's okay. Whatever happens here, most likely the stock market gonna go up because of the people were happy. Jerome Powell dovish message, right? Inflation is coming down. Economy is not as strong as they think, so they're gonna cut interest rate. So yeah, unless PCs and core PC comes out really hard, really hard, I don't see stock market going down. Okay, because we're gonna have 6 companies reported earnings too, So doesn't matter what happens. Next week most likely gonna go up. Stock number 6, BMO, Bank of Montreal stock. Okay, year to date up 18.23% up. 5 year 81.53% up the past 5 years. Yeah, but they pay dividend for 4.11, but it doesn't beat S&P 500. I'm really not into banking stock, so I'm not going to touch banking. Next one, OKTA. Yeah, it's an identity security company. Year to date up 16.77%. 5 year is still down, but I don't see clear uptrend. It's uptrend a little bit, but very slow. So it used to be 300 stock, right? 300 stock. So if it goes up after earnings, that might change my mind. You know, if it goes up after earnings, it's gonna be clear uptrend. So I may think about getting into this company. Okay. So right now, maybe no. Stock number 4, NVDA. Of course, my favorite NVDA. I talk about it. I gave NVDA in 2023. If you bought it, you would have made like 5 times easily within 2 years. So this is one of my favorite stocks. 5 years blows away S&P 500, right? You might as well put all your money in NVIDIA. Beat real estate, beat S&P 500, probably beat Bitcoin too. So year to date up. So most likely it's gonna go up, or maybe just a little bit, right? Or it could blow away. I don't see it going down, okay? Because I don't think that guidance will be bad, and I don't really see any reason for it to go down. That's all. Yeah. Next one, CrowdStrike. If it goes down, that would be great. You see, it used to be hit like here. Right? See, because of their scandal, they are blackout. The whole probably airline industry blackout because of CrowdStrike software malfunctions. 200, it was down. See, within 1 year it's double. So I would probably like it to go down. I'm not sure it's gonna go down or up. So, but most likely NVIDIA is gonna go up. This one 50-50, CrowdStrike 50-50. Order, I think maybe they will go up more because their business already bottom. So most likely it's gonna go up. Order beauty. See, so if you got it at 355, that would be perfect situation. See, so in every business, even if the business is bad, there's always a bottom. So you probably want to get it at the bottom. Order most likely is gonna go up, And Autodesk, year to date down 1.05%. 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. It's one of the engineer's favorite software. But you know what? If it doesn't beat S&P 500, I'm not interested. Another exception. Even order beat S&P 500. The reason why I probably don't like order a lot is because it's a retailer. And the reason why I like it is because they have membership. Okay, so I used to own it, but now I don't. So I may get back later. Keep it in my watches. Okay, the past 5 years it beat S&P 500, yes, but mostly focus on technology and healthcare and other stuff. So if you have any questions, you can comment down below.